Hello guys, welcome to our channel Pursuit of Opportunities. In every day of our busy schedule, we often see famous company logos. But do you know there is hidden meaning behind every logo we see? So let's find out those hidden meaning of some top brands in this video. Before going forward, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe our channel Pursuit of Opportunities. Volkswagen. This is famous car manufacturer in Germany. Its logo indicates the initial of V and W. In German, Volks mean people and Wagen means car, so it basically represents themselves as people's car. Mercedes-Benz. Initially, this automobile manufacturer has famous 3-star logo. According to the company, it represents automaker deriving universal motorization with its engine dominating the land, sea and air. Mercedes-Benz symbol is for company's plans for world domination. FedEx. They are famously known for its timely package delivery system. FedEx logo is also known for its tricky illusion. If you look closely between letters E and X, you will spot a white arrow. It stands for speed, accuracy, strive for perfection, and perseverance in achieving goals. Baskin-Robbins. They are known for their ice creams, which they sell in more than 50 countries. If you carefully see the logo of Baskin-Robbins, it has a capital B and a capital R, which stands for their initials. But it is designed in such a way that it looks like number 31, which stands for 31 ice cream flavors which can be delivered to customers on 31 days of month. Nestle. Nestle has more than 2000 products which includes coffee, milkshake, beverages, breakfast, instant foods and many more. Nestle logo shows mother feeding to her children. Nestle means nest in German. That's how the logo is represented by showing a single bird sitting in a nest. Starbucks. We often go to the Starbucks with our friends. Starbucks is famous for their services to the customer. But do you ever wonder why Starbucks symbol looks like this? Or what is the meaning of its symbol? This logo resembles goddess-like figure. Starbucks call her Cyrene. Greek mythology says that Cyrenes lured sailors to shipwreck off the coast of an island in the South Pacific. This concept of Cyrene is used by Starbucks founder to lure coffee lovers from everywhere, both online and offline. SBI. This is the largest and one of the premium banking and financial services company present in India. SBI symbol is very simple in design. The concept behind the design of logo is that big circle in blue reflects unity and completeness, while white one represents common man. The logo also suggests a keyhole, which is symbol of safety, security and strength. Bluetooth. While using mobile phones, we often see Bluetooth symbol lingering on our screen. But do you know why Bluetooth has symbol like this? Bluetooth was named after 10th century king Harald Bluetooth, the king of Denmark and Norway. Bluetooth is an anglicized version of Harald's Bluetooth, who was known for his unification of previously warring tribes. If you look close enough, you will see initial H and B representing Harald Bluetooth. Hindustan Unilever. We often see the famous U-shaped logo of Hindustan Unilever. But have you noticed what are the small designs present in that U? The big blue U has 25 icons nicely woven together to form the logo. It consists from a lock of hair symbolizing to spoon, ice cream, a jar, a tea leaf, a hand and many more such things. Each icon represents the aspect of business traded by Hindustan Unilever. Dabur. The leading giant Dabur, which describe themselves as Ayurvedic medicine manufacturer. In the Dabur logo, 3 people are raising their both arms, conveying joy felt by their achievement. The broad trunk represents stability and its multiple branches represents growth. Audi. This automobile manufacturer is known for its dynamic designs of car. Audi logo consists of 4 rings. 4 rings represent the different automobile manufacturers, which are Audi, DKW, Horch and Wanderer. In 1932, these 4 companies merged with each other and became Audi AG. These companies form the roots of what we see today as Audi AG. Dell. This is a global company that designs, develops and manufactures personal computers and a variety of computer-related products. The Dell logo has its hidden meaning. The slanted E in Dell logo symbolizes Dell owner Michael Dell's wish to turn the world on its ear. Ola. We all know Ola for its cab services. But do you know what is the hidden meaning behind the logo of Ola? This beautifully made logo has 3 meanings. First is it looks like letter O, which stands for Ola Cabs. The second reason is the yellow color, which represents the taxi services offered by Ola. And the last hidden meaning is the logo looks like tire, which represents the color of taxi. Hindustan Petroleum. Many times we fill fuel in the HP fuel station and often we see HP logo. You might think that logo indicates that there is a road which is leading towards something. But wait, that's not the truth. The logo shows the curved lines joining together like a stream of energy fuel being poured into vehicle. It also gives a message that future is full of energy. We hope now you are aware about the hidden meanings behind the logos of these famous companies. Don't forget to like and share our video and please subscribe our channel Pursuit of Opportunities.